This is one question taken from the chapter Polynomial class 10th. It says if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus a times x plus 1 minus b such that alpha plus 1 that multiplied by beta plus 1 is equal to 0, and we have to find the value of b. Now, first we need to see that this polynomial is not in the standard form. That means in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So let's first convert them in the standard form. First, I'm going to open the bracket here. So applying distributive property, it is minus a times x, and minus a multiplied by positive 1 is minus a minus b. Now, what you should know that the coefficient of x square is the coefficient of x square, right, is 1. And the coefficient of x is minus a, and the constant term is minus a minus b, right? This is what the coefficient of x square, which is called, which is also denoted by a. Now, first of all, I'm going to get the sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is negative coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x squared. So it is minus of minus a. This is minus of negative coefficient of x, which is minus a. That is equal to a. And if I find the product of the zeros, that is alpha into beta, is constant term divided by coefficient of x squared. So clearly the constant term is minus a minus b. Now, once we are done till here, we will see what we have to get. As I can see, we have to get the value of b, and this is what the relation between alpha and beta are given. So I'll just open this bracket first. So if I do so, let me write down this what is given here. This is alpha plus 1 multiplied by beta plus 1 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to apply the distributive property here, that is alpha multiplied, or we can show the proper working, alpha multiplied by beta plus 1 and 1 multiplied by beta plus 1 is equal to 0. Now alpha into beta, if you multiply, we'll get alpha beta, right? This is alpha beta. And then this is alpha multiplied by 1 will be alpha only. But you can see here that if I multiply 1 with beta, that is beta, and when 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, is equal to 0. Now, we know the value of product of the zeros as minus a minus b. So I'm going to replace this value from here, that is minus a minus b. Minus a minus b. Now, we can see that we know the value of some of the zeros also as a positive a. So I'll write it here as a only, and plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can see that minus a and a get cancelled. So we got minus b plus 1 is equal to 0. So that implies b is equal to 1. So this is what we had to get the value of b, and we got b is equal to 1.